Mountain Jr. with Keystone RV Center, trying to tackle one of those small problems we run into again all the time. Low water pressure from either a sink faucet, bathroom sink, something like that. So one of the things you can do, the bathroom sink, we see it a lot actually. If you come right here, you can unscrew this piece. Once you unscrew it, you'll see we've got some internal parts here. Okay? So we have a little rubber washer. I'm just going to set that on the toilet seat so I don't lose it. And there's the screen. Now can you imagine why, Mark, are we in focus? Mark's pressing buttons on the camera, so I don't know what to do. I'm just going to stand like this. Alright. So, you can imagine all this debris. And all that is just shavings from the lines. Every manufacturer has it. We can press this apart. And if I just press right on the inside of that, that pops this apart. We can get to this screen, clean that one out. Get into this screen, clean that out. Just wipe out all the debris. Then, do you remember how we took it apart, kids? We're going to put it back together the same way. Put the rubber O-ring back in. Take it back over to the sink faucet. Screw it back together. And you'll instantly look like a hero to you and your family. So, simple as that. That's how you fix one of your simple problems in your travel trailer, fifth wheel, motorhome, truck, camper, pop-up. Mark, anything else I'm missing? Class B motorhome. Alrighty, guys. Give us a call if you have any other questions. 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day.